Welcome! I am so excited you are here today. My name is Miss Bailey, and this is Antarctic Explorer, a series where we discover one of the most incredible and mysterious places on our planet. Today, we're going to explore life in Antarctica, what animals live there, how they survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth, and why climate change is threatening everything. So get comfortable because we are about to go on an incredible journey together all the way to the bottom of the world. First things first, where exactly is Antarctica and what makes it so special? Antarctica is the southernmost continent on Earth. It is bigger than Europe, covering over 14 million square kilometers. Unlike the Arctic, which is just frozen ocean, Antarctica is actually a landmass buried under ice that is up to 4 kilometers thick. It holds 60% of the world's entire freshwater supply. It is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth, making it technically a desert. And yet, incredibly, animals have found a way to thrive here. Let's meet our first Antarctic resident, the emperor penguin. Emperor penguins are the tallest and heaviest penguin species on Earth, standing nearly 4 feet tall. They breed in the middle of the Antarctic winter in temperatures as low as minus 60 degrees. The male penguin stands for 65 days in total darkness, balancing a single egg on his feet without eating a single thing. But here is where it gets serious. As global warming melts sea ice earlier every season, penguin chicks that haven't grown their waterproof feathers are falling into freezing water and dying. Some populations have dropped by 65%. Colonies that survived for thousands of years now disappearing in our lifetime. Now I want to introduce you to the most important animal in Antarctica, and I promise you it is not the one you are expecting. Meet the Antarctic krill. This tiny creature is barely 6 centimeters long, but without krill, the entire Antarctic ecosystem collapses. Every single food chain in the Southern Ocean starts with krill. Penguins eat them, seals eat them. Even blue whales travel thousands of miles just to feast on them. Krill feed on algae that grows underneath sea ice. As sea ice disappears, krill populations crash and everything above them in the food chain crashes too. One tiny creature. The entire ecosystem depends on it. Let's meet 2 more Antarctic residents, seals and whales. Weddell seals give birth on sea ice, but as that ice shrinks, their birthing grounds disappear. Crab-eater seals eat almost nothing but krill, so as krill decline, they face a serious food shortage. Blue whales, humpbacks, and minkies all migrate to Antarctic waters every summer to feed. But here is something truly mind-blowing. Whale waste actually fertilizes the ocean, feeding the plankton that produces over 50% of the oxygen we breathe every single day. When whales suffer, we all suffer. It really is that connected. So why is this happening? Antarctica has warmed by nearly 3 degrees Celsius over the past 50 years, almost 3 times the global average. This warming is driven by greenhouse gases released when we burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. These gases trap heat in our atmosphere like a blanket getting thicker every year. Ice melts, sea levels rise, ocean temperatures increase. Ecosystems that took millions of years to evolve begin to collapse. This is not a natural cycle. This is human activity, and that means it is something we have the power to change. Before we finish, I want to leave you with something important: hope. Reducing carbon emissions is the single most powerful action we can take. Protecting the Southern Ocean through marine protected areas limits overfishing of krill. Supporting climate scientists makes a real difference. And finally, education. Sharing what you now know with friends, family, and your community. because awareness is always where change begins. Antarctica is often called the last true wilderness on Earth. Its animals evolved over millions of years for a world of ice and cold. They did not evolve for a world of our making. But we still have time to act, and knowing that gives me so much hope. Thank you for watching Antarctic Explorer. See you in episode 2, where we discover what lies beneath the ice. See you next time.